Hello students, welcome to our maths class. In 8th class mathematics, we are continuing our chapter algebraic expressions. So already this is the 6th class. We completed 5 periods in this, and in that first 2 periods we studied about the lot of definitions: variable, constant, degree, algebraic expression, and monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. Those all concepts we studied in the like terms, unlike terms. So studied all the concepts in the first 2 periods, and in the next third period, in the third class, we studied how to add the two algebraic expressions. How to add two algebraic expressions. In the next 4th class, we studied how to subtract one algebraic expression from another algebraic expression. And yesterday's class, the last class, we studied how to multiply two algebraic expressions, multiplying one monomial with another monomial, and multiplying three monomials, multiplication of three monomials. That also we studied. How to multiply two algebraic expressions we studied. So simple multiplication only. That extension of more number of terms we will study later. So with that concept, multiplying a monomial with a monomial or multiplying three monomials, with that concept, let us start the exercise. So dear students, all of you open your textbooks. This is exercise 11.1. So you can simply complete this exercise without any difficulty, because I gave so many examples to explain how to multiply, how to add, and how to subtract. See here. Simple questions. Find the product of the following pairs. Find the product of following pairs. Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. Product or multiplication, both are same. Synonymous words. See, 6 and 7k you multiply. Minus 3l minus 2m you multiply. Multiplication. See here. Multiply these two. 6 into 7k. 6 is multiplied with 7k. Multiplication. First expression, second expression. What is the symbol? What we have to do? Multiply. Constant is multiplied with the coefficient is multiplied with coefficient. 6 into 7. 6 into 7 I wrote here. K, only k remains. There is no other k here. There is no other factor or other variable. So only k is there. So I will write as it is. 6 into 7 written here. There is no k here. Only one k is written. 1k is there. I wrote here. 6 into 7, 42k into k. 42 into k is 42k only. 6 into 7, 42. K. Same. Minus 3l is one expression into second expression is minus 2m. Minus 3l into minus 2m. I will multiply coefficient with coefficient. Direct answer also you can write. Need not write all these steps. See, 6 into 7, 42k, that's all. Here also minus into minus plus, 3 to the 6, L into M is L into M only, that's all. But I am writing one few steps here. Minus 3 into minus 2 I wrote here, into L is L, there is no another L term, write L here, and there is no M term, only one M term. L term is only one, M term is only one. Minus into minus plus, 3 into 2, 6. Minus into minus plus, 3 into 2, 6 into L into M. 6 LM. 6 into L into M, 6 LM. Next, multiplying these two. Multiply coefficient with coefficient. Minus 5 into minus 3 you write here. Minus 5 into minus 3 multiplied and LL same terms, LL same variable. So write L square and L square in a separate bracket. Because same variable we can write in a separate. Here L is same, different, and M is different. So I wrote in different brackets. Minus into minus plus 5 into 3, 15. Minus into minus plus 5 into 3, 15. Say bases are same in multiplication, powers are added. A power M into A power N is A power M plus N. We studied this formula. A power M, A power N, A power M plus N, L power 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So answer is 15 into L power 4, 15 L power 4. That's it. Here we can't multiply these two. LM means LM only. 42 into K, 42 into K only. This we can add these two because same variable. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 15 into L power 4 is 15 L power 4. That's it. Right. Next, see here how to multiply. Same, we solve 3 bits in this same model, we have to do this. Solution. Multiply these two. Multiplication, first algebraic expression, second algebraic expression. What we have to do with these two? Multiplication. First algebraic expression, second algebraic expression, multiplication. 6 into 3 here. N, we don't have any another N, write N only. Only one M, nothing else. No M, only one M, one N. But these two we can multiply. 6, 3 are similar. We can multiply. N is N only, M is M only. 6 into 3, 18. 6 3 is 18. This is N, this is M. So 18 N M. We can't simplify further. N is N only, M is M only. Multiplication. Multiplication means into. Product. Product means multiplication. Write minus 5 coefficient and go into coefficient. Coefficient into coefficient I kept in a separate bracket into next p square. Any other p term here? This is also p right here. All multiplication only because problem itself is multiplication. So minus 5 into minus 2 here into p square into p. Only p here. Minus into minus plus 5 into 2 10. Bases are same, p same. If it is m we can't further simplify, but both are same variables, so same base, p same base. So in multiplication powers are added. 2 plus 1 is 3. Formula a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. Powers are added. So 10 into p cube is 10p cube. Right. Second problem. See, we have some more columns and some more rows. So all are same. I will explain these this much, and the remaining you can complete. Simple, very simple. Multiplication is very simple operation for algebraic expressions. Remaining you write and you complete that full table. Same process. Multiply these two, write the answer here. See, this is not x, this is multiplication. Multiplication. 3x into 5x. 3x into 5x. 3x into 5x. Directly you can write. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 5, 15. X into x. Bases are same, powers are added. 1 plus 1, 2, x power 2. Direct. This into this, write the answer here. 3x into 3x square. 3x into 3x square. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9. X power 1, x power 2. Bases are same. In multiplication, powers are added. 1 plus 2, 3. This into this. This into this. 3x multiplied by 6xy, write the answer here. 3 into 6, 18. 3 3 into 6, 18. X into x, x power 1, x power 1. Base are same, powers are added. 1 plus 1, 2. X into x, x square. Y, y only. Only one y. 3 into 6, 18. X into x, x square, y. Three x into 3y square. 3x into 3y square. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9. X only. There is no x here. Only x. Y only. 3 into 3, 9. X only. Y square only. Answer is 9xy square. Next. Three x is multiplied with minus 3xy square. 3 into 3, 9. But plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 3, 9. X into x, power 1, 1 plus 1, 2, x into x, x square. X power 1, bases are same, powers are added, 1 plus 1 is 2, x power 2. Y square is y square. 3 into 3, 9, x into x, x square, y square is y square, plus into minus is minus. So same way you try to fill this full table, and even some extension is also given. 4xy square, x square, y square. Even 3 more columns are given, that also you can complete. So you try to complete this table, and tomorrow we will continue this chapter again. And if you, even tomorrow also I am going to fill these blanks, so you can check with your homework. So complete this table and attend the class tomorrow. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.